You can tap the scale on the left side to adjust depth. Tap Functions to enter the menu. Then tap Freq button and use the scroll bar to adjust the frequency. Tap Functions to enter the menu. Then tap Gain button and use the scroll bar to adjust the gain. Tap TGC icon in the upper right corner. And an adjustment bar will appear on the right side of the screen. Use the scroll bar to adjust the TGC. Tap the reset icon, it will restore the default settings. Place 2 fingers on the screen near each other in image area. Spread them apart to zoom in, or move them toward each other to zoom out. Swipe up or down on the image to quickly adjust the image depth. Swipe right or left on the image to quickly adjust the image gain.